On these streets of color, wild scenes unfold. Brushstrokes bold, no story untold. Vibrant visions, dreams take flight. Canvas of the mind, painting life. Welcome to graphic genius. Sparks ignite, colors collide in the thick of night. Designs and logos, art so chic. Come join us, where pixels speak. Every icon crafted, precision so tight. Shapes and lines in the pale moonlight. Roller coaster views, canvas our ride. In the studios, we take pride. Welcome to graphic genius. Sparks ignite, colors collide in the thick of night. Designs and logos, art so chic. Come join us, where pixels speak. From digital dreams to handcrafted schemes, we build, we sculpt, far beyond what it seems. Frame by frame, our legacy be graphic genius. We set art free. We're popping our palettes, straight heat. Drafts and sketches, everything neat. Rise of the empire, pixel by pixel. Artistic revolution, it's official. Come join us, where pixels speak. Every icon crafted.